Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, falamma wada'atha qalat rabbi inni wada'tuha untha wallahu a'lamu bima wada'at wa laysa adh-dhakaru kal-untha wa inni sammaytuha Maryam وإني أعيذها بك وذريتها من الشيطان الرجيم. Translation: And when the baby was born, she said, "O my Rabb, indeed I have delivered a female child." And Allah was knowing better as what she delivered. And the male son is not as the female. And I have named her Maryam, and I place her in your refuge and also her children to protect them from accursed and rejected shaitan. Imran's wife Hannah, she delivered a female child, and then she was sad and said, "Oh my Lord, oh my Rabb, I have given birth to a female. And how will a female child serve the Baitul Maqdas?" Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knew that what she had given birth to, and she also said that the boy is not like a girl, as boy can do more than a girl. Some scholars have taken another meaning of this phrase, walaysa dhakaru kal untha, and they said that this is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that no son can be similar to this daughter that you have given birth to, because she will have the highest of a status and she will have lots of miracles. She then said that I have named this child Maryam, and I place her in your refuge, and also the progeny of this child in your refuge from the accursed, rejected shaitan. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَتَقَبَّلَهَا رَبُّهَا بِقَبُولٍ حَسَنٍ وَأَنبَتَهَا نَبَاتًا حَسَنًا وَكَفَّلَهَا زَكَرِيَّا كُلَّمَا دَخَلَ عَلَيْهَا زَكَرِيَّا الْمِحْرَابَ وَجَدَ عِندَهَا رِزْقًا قال يا مريم أنى لك هذا قالت هو من عند الله إن الله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب. Translation: So her Rabb graciously accepted the child and made her grow up in purity and in good manners, and entrusted her into the care of Zakaria. Whenever Zakaria entered the sanctuary prayer room, he found provision of food with her. He said, "O Maryam, from where comes this food to you?" She said, "It is from Allah. Certainly Allah provides sustenance without measure to whom He pleases." The mother of Maryam alayhi salam took her in the Baitul Maqdas and told all the priests that were living there, and told her the whole story, that I vowed this baby to Allah, and her father had died during her pregnancy. Everyone wanted to take care of this little child, and they decided that they will make a draw, and whoever names will come, she will be entrusted into his care. And the name of Zakaria alayhi salam came, and he took Maryam alayhi salam in his care. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made arrangements for her in a beautiful way and provided rizq to her. She used to get the fruits that were out of season, and one day Zakaria alayhi salam, who took care of her a lot, saw these fruits and asked her that, "Who gives you these fruits and rizq?" She said that they come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides sustenance without measure to whom He pleases. The sequence of events are beautiful in these ayahs, and we will see in the next ayah that this made Zakaria alayhi salam to feel that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can give anything to anyone, and he prayed for a son for himself. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.